Where can I blog for free? Blogging is one of the many methods to make money online, and I personally know a lot of entrepreneurs who started blogging and made it big. And if you're starting for free, the reasons must be: one, maybe you have a lack of financial resources and this prevents you to invest in paid blogging platforms. Number two, maybe you want to start blogging as a hobby and doing it for free is a way for you to gain experience. Or number three, maybe you're just starting off and you want to see if it's for you at all. Whatever the reasons may be, in this video, I'll go through the 7 best free websites where you can start blogging for free. But let me give you a quick disclaimer. As starting off for free can be a huge help financially, with time, it would be better to invest in the paid version and get yourself a domain name. This will be good for your brand building as well as allow you to get your blog monetized. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know what free website suits you the most. And before we get rolling, for all those who are new to my channel, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I'm an ex-mechanical engineer to now a full-time online entrepreneur. And in this channel, I create videos that help people make money online as well as start, grow and scale an online business. So guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button if you happen to get any value on my video, and if you happen to like any of my content, I would actually want you to subscribe to my channel, as this would encourage me to create more and more content. So let's get started with the last number of our list, which is number 7, and it's a website called Ghost, or should I say ghost.org. Ghost is a modern open source blogging platform that is known for its focus on simplicity, speed and user experience. It actually offers a 14 days free trial during which users can start blogging and test out the platforms and features. Users can create their blog by signing up for the free trial, selecting a template and customizing the design and layout of their blog. Ghost also offers a variety of customization options, such as ability to add widgets and social media integration. And during the free trial period, users can also try out Ghost SEO and marketing tools, such as the ability to customize meta tags and create XML sitemaps. However, there are some limitations with the free trial, like limited storage space and limited design options and templates. And in order to remove these limitations, users would need to upgrade to a paid version, to a paid plan. One of the biggest advantages of Ghost is its clean and minimalistic design, which help to keep visitors focused on the content and is also very fast. Moving up the list now is our number 6, which is a website called Squarespace. Squarespace is a website building and hosting platform that is known for its easy to use drag and drop interface and professional looking templates. This too offers a 14-day free trial during which users can start building and testing their blog. Users can actually create their free trial by clicking on sign up here. Similar to Ghost, Squarespace also offers the same customization options, which are the ability to add widgets and social media integration. During the free trial period, users can also try out Squarespace SEO and marketing tools and integrate with Google Analytics. Here too, the free version have limitations, and to remove those limitations, you just have to upgrade for paid plans. One of the biggest advantages of Squarespace is its professional looking templates though, which are designed to help you create a high quality blog quickly and easily. Additionally, Squarespace's built-in audience can help you get more views and engagement onto your blog. Our number 5 now is a website called Weebly.com. Weebly is a website builder and is free to use. However, the free version has limited features, but users can pay for the additional features and upgrades. Comparing Weebly to Squarespace, Squarespace offers a wider range of professional looking templates compared to Weebly, as well as more control over the design and layout of the blog, which may be beneficial for more experienced users. And on the other hand, Weebly actually has no trial compared to Squarespace, and Weebly's free plan is quite comprehensive and offers a variety of features. In conclusion, both Weebly and Squarespace are great options for creating a free blog, but Squarespace may be a better option for those looking for more design and customization options, while Weebly is a better option for those looking for a more comprehensive free plan. All right. Now, moving up to our number 4 is a website called Medium. Medium is a blogging platform that is known for its focus on quality content and a sense of community. It is free to use, but users can pay for additional features and upgrades. Users can create their blog by signing up for the free version. Medium is also known for its integration with other Google services such as AdSense and Analytics. It's important to note that the free version of Medium includes marketers' ads, which users cannot remove. In order to remove these limitations and Medium branding, users would need to upgrade to a paid plan. One of the biggest advantages of Medium is its focus on quality content and the way it curates content. This can help you get more visibility and reach a larger audience. Additionally, Medium's built-in audience can help you get more views and engagement on your post. Moving up to our number 3 now is a website called Wix. Wix is a website building and hosting platform that is known for its easy to use drag and drop interface, professional looking templates, and the ability to create a website without any coding skills. Its free version has limitations though compared to the paid version. Wix is a little similar to Weebly. But one of the biggest advantage of Wix is its easy to use drag and drop interface, which makes it a great option for those who want to start building a website quickly and easily. Additionally, Wix professional looking templates can help you create a high quality website, and it also offers a wide range of apps and widgets that can be added to the website to enhance its functionality. Moving up to number 2 now is a website called Blogger. Blogger is a free blog publishing platform that is owned by Google. It is known for its easy to use interface and its ability to integrate with other Google products such as Google Analytics and AdSense. Users can create their blog by signing up for a free account. Of course, the free version of Blogger comes with some limitation, and one of the biggest advantages of Blogger is its easy to use interface, which makes it a great option for those who want to start blogging quickly and easily. Additionally, Blogger has a very active community and is a great option for bloggers who want to who want to connect with other bloggers and readers. Now, our number 1 is a website called WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a free blog publishing platform that is powered by the open source WordPress software. It is known for its flexibility, customization options, and its ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party services and plugins. Users can create their blog by signing up for a free account, and the limitation with the free version of WordPress.com comes with limited storage space, limited design options, and templates, and WordPress.com branding on the side of your website. Now, compared to all other 6 websites that I've shown you, WordPress.com offers a better flexibility and customization options and more advanced SEO and marketing tools. It also has a large and active community of users. It's important to note that WordPress.com is a good option for creating a free blog, even though its limitation and even though monetization options for free version are limited in all the platforms. WordPress.com has a larger variety of options. And by the way, the best way to make money with free blogging is making use of affiliate marketing. This is how many bloggers start their journey and make most of their money with. The more engaging your blog is, means the more traffic your blog is attracting and generating. However, after doing affiliate marketing for over 3 years, I noticed many affiliates, especially bloggers, don't use affiliate marketing the right way. And this leads them to miss on opportunities that could have made them thousands of dollars or more. But since they don't, many give up. But if you want to leverage affiliate marketing with your blogging, then do check the first link in the description of this video. It's a $7 challenge that will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing as well as blogging. Additionally, other platforms like Squarespace, Weebly, and Wix are more user-friendly and have drag and drop interfaces which make it easier for beginners to create a website or blog. Furthermore, Blogger and Medium.com are more focused on a specific type of content and audience. Since Blogger is a platform of Google, it is great for those looking for a simple and easy to use platform to share their thoughts, while Medium is a blogging platform that focuses on longer form content and has a large audience of readers and writers. Ghost is also a good option for those looking for a simple and easy to use platform to share their thoughts, but it is more focused on professional bloggers and developers. And guys, this brings us to the end of this video. So I hope this video gave you a good insight of the free blogging websites that you can use. So make sure you tell me in the comments below what websites you will be choosing for your free blogging. And guys, if you got value from this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about how to make money online. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye.